Welcome, in front of me is HP Compaq 17, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a Windows account without using your Microsoft account. So the first step is to not connect to a network. Instead, what you have to do, of course if you already did, then either turn off the laptop, turn off the router, or leave an area to the place where your router signal is unreachable, and then press the combination of Shift and F10 keys on your laptop. Then press Alt tab 2 times to select the CMD tab that you see on your screen, and then once you do that, input these commands right here: OOBE / bypass and row, and press enter, and then wait until your device restarts. Once your device is restarted, you can begin the setup process. So first of all, select the right country or region using your down and up arrow keys, and then press enter once you have the one that you need. On the following page, select the right keyboard layout or input method and press enter once again. Then either press enter to skip, or if you want to add a second keyboard layout, then press tab several times until you have the add layout option selected on your screen, and then press enter. But I'm gonna skip this step. Then instead of connecting to the network, use this option that appeared on your screen, which says I don't have internet, using tab button. So press tab button until you select it, then press enter. On the following page, name your device, so enter your device's name or your account's name. So once you enter your username, press enter. Then if you want to, you can enter a password. Don't forget, try your best to remember it, of course. And once you are content with your choice, press enter. And if you don't want to add a password, then just press enter right away. On the following page, you'll have to choose some privacy settings for your device. To navigate through the privacy settings, use tab key, and to switch the toggle, press spacebar. I usually go with location and find my device features, so I leave them enabled. Now for diagnostic data, I usually turn it off because it only collects your data for Microsoft researchers. And then the inking and typing does the same thing, but with your keyboard, with your typing. I usually turn it off too. And tailored experience, I think it's more about the web browser, but it basically also does the same thing, and it basically gives nothing to you. Now advertising ID, it's basically personalized advertising, so go with whatever you like the most, then press tab several times until you have the accept option selected, and press enter to confirm. And I think now you just have to wait until your Windows fully loads. And after a while, your device will be fully set up. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.